But you know, when I heard the news, I thought for sure he'd OD'd, like many of us do. But in fact, he'd fallen on the tracks on the L train in Brooklyn, up in New York City, and he was trying to get up, and he touched the third rail, and you know. And there's also a guy, both him and I hoboed around the country for a long time, so it was like, you know, it was strange. He died by a train, but not the one you would have thought, and it struck me very deeply, you know, because I'm sort of part of my recovery. And the most significant part has been getting in touch with my sensitivity as a human being and allowing myself to feel. And so this filled me with this pain that immediately my first reaction was to write a song about it, and it sort of channeled everything I felt into this tune here, and I felt closure afterwards. The song almost wrote itself, and it's called Joel. And I've only been playing guitar for a couple months, so bear with me. Here we go. What more can I say? Lost another good one today, and I'm asking why. Oh, my grumbling brother, my crumbling friend, we've been lost in the grips of a specter, and it slips its way in through the skin, a reflection of our most delicate perfection in the blackest of mirrors. The divine grows grotesque. I refuse to believe that the truth is a steed we can ride, but the water will give it, and it's clear as your face in the course of your race. You've been pouring it straight from the spigot. There are no words on earth to describe the true name of that spirit of budging so little. But I know you'll be moved through that beautiful field when you're met with the sound of that fiddle. Of the nearest to God, or whatever it's called, are the ones who are closest to pain. And I know that that power that carried you forward continues to power that train.
Good hand noise.